Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to customize WordPress Mayosis theme. So, if you have started your online business with WordPress and you wanted to create a digital download e-commerce multi-vendor website to sell digital download product and you have purchased the Mayosis theme, now you wanted to customize it by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial should be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything step by step and in a easy way, also with a quick time. So let's get started. Here you can see that we have already installed the Mayosis theme and import the demo. You will find this guideline in the video description if you want to know or learn how to install Mayosis theme and import demo on your domain or on WordPress. Okay, we have already done it. Now our first step is to update all the things based on our requirement. So you can see that it's very fast Mayosis theme import file, and you can see that everything is displayed like demo, but we wanted to customize it based on our requirement. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we need two things. Number one, site logo and site information. You can see that I have already site logo. My lovely client already shared this logo with me, and I have the details, all the details about this website like page name, page information. That is very important and most necessary things to start customize your website or customize Mayosis theme. Okay, so first of all we are going to start working with logo. So I'm going to download this logo from here. So click on it, or you can download. And of course, as a SEO expert, I should follow the SEO rules to build a website, make a website, or customize a website. So I'm going to change the name of this logo, BCC Consulting logo PNG. Okay, now I'm going to resize this logo, because if I open this logo in the Photoshop, just going to open it on the Photoshop. Of course I use Canva for my project, but as I am previous users of Photoshop, that's why I'm going to use this one also in sometimes. Okay, I have opened the logo. This logo is square shape, and you can see that it's width 1000, height 1000. It's very large logo. We have to resize this logo. Okay, we'll do it. Also we are going to check the this logo size. So go to the WordPress dashboard, then click on the Mayosis theme option. Okay, and now first of all going to click on the header, and here is the header section. You can see logo, main menu, and the card, drag, light mode, my account. So click on the logo, and you can see that here is the logo image, mobile logo, sticky header, favicon. Okay, logo width, and drag logo image. Okay, so first of all I am going to the dashboard again. Here is the WordPress dashboard. I am going to open media. Okay, then going to search logo. No logo in here. Also let me find the logo name. Upload site, vector vg, search vector, go back in media, vector. Okay, now we can find the actual size of logo. 156 and 48 pixel. Also if I open this one, same size. Okay, so the problem is that our logo is square and this one is horizontal. That is the problem. So we need a horizontal logo for perfect size, but we can also use the square logo. That is no any big problem, but we have to change the logo size. Okay, so as we already know, the logo height is 48. We are going to resize our logo. Let me make it 48, makes it too small. We are going to make it 96. Okay, then save and write the logo name. Save consulting logo. Okay, and now go back, customize, select logo and add logo here. Perfect. Also add alternative tag, logo title. This is SEO friendly smart UI. Okay, also mobile logo image, sticky logo, favicon. Going to add favicon. Select this one for favicon. Okay, also drag logo image. Select this one. Okay, we have updated the logo. Then click on the publish. Also we have changed the favicon. Looks here. The favicon will be changed. Yes, it has been changed. You see. Okay, so we need to resize our logo. So let me check it. The max logo height should be 85 or 80. Okay, so we are going to resize this one 75. Then it will be perfect. Okay, now go back, customize, remove, select, delete this one. Then upload again. Uploads the resized logo. Okay, remove, select. Okay, we have updated the logo. Then publish and go back. Then reload again. Okay, we have to wait to get the update result because sometimes cookies occur such problem. So we are going to skip the logo section text. Now we have to remove unnecessary pages from our website and we have to add the real pages based on our requirement. Okay, to do this we have to go to our file. Here is the file. So we need home page. Then we need about us page, then key members, then consultation service page, then case study and success stories, contact page. Okay, so we are going to add pages one by one and create a new menu. So first of all, go to the all pages, and you can see that a lot of pages is available right now in here, and we are going to create new pages. So we have home page by default, then we have to add about us page. You can see that here is the about us page, so we no need about us page, we'll update the content later. Then why, then consultation service page, we need this page, so going to copy cache converter. Okay, consultation services, so going to create a new page, name consultation services, publish. Okay, then case study and success stories, this is very important space. Create another page, add new page, okay, publish, and finally contact page. So for contact page, we have to check that the contact page is previously available or created or not. If we don't found any contact page, then we'll create new contact page, but I know there have a contact page by default. Yes, here is the contact us page, so we have all the required pages in here. Now we have to add our menu item or pages in the menu item. Okay, to do this, click on the edit with Elementor. Also you can click on the theme option, header, and click on menu, and the selected menu, let me find it, menu hover type dotted. Okay, no problem. We have to add the menu from our menu section, so go to the WP admin section again, and here is the click on the menu, and the main menu is display location in main menu. That's mean this menu is displaying in here. So we are going to create a new menu. Click on the create new menu, and this menu name is primary menu, and then click on the create. So simple. And now we have to add all the required pages as menu items. So click on the view all, home, about us, case studies, and consulting services, contract. Okay, click on the add to menu, home, contract, then case studies, contract, case studies, then consulting services, about us, home page. Yes, that's enough. Contract us, we can add contract us. Okay, now select main menu, click on the save. So simple. Now reload our site. Okay, wait a little bit time. Select. Okay, we can see that the menu is not displaying in here. That's why we are going to Mayosis themes option. Wow, the menu is appear in here. So we have added the menu. Now we have to fix, and then we have to start working on this section, on the slider section, then here also, then this section. Overall we have to change everything one by one, and we have to do it based on our requirement. For example, in the header we'll add this text: empowering your business to success, BCC consulting. Then we have to add this introduction, also service overview, call to action, testimonial, client's logo. Okay, then another call to action, and that's all will be done on home page. So I hope you understand, and we have to do everything one by one and step by step. And before that we must have to fix the logo. So we'll fix this logo again, but I don't want to lost your time because it's so easy text. You can just resize your logo and upload it again, then it will be fixed. So I hope you understand. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.